this title is How to Become a Leader of Distinction. And it's interesting, we're living in very interesting times. We can see watching the news, we've seen wars, we've seen rumors of wars, we've seen presidents, we've seen lack of leadership, and we've seen so much pain and suffering. But for me, I personally believe, I'm not sure about you, but we're in one of the most exciting periods in the history of mankind, in my opinion. Anyone else agree? Yeah, I believe. I know this, it's very, we watch the news and we read the newspapers, it's war, it's poverty, negativity, but I think through it all, there are opportunities. So what is leadership? So in 2015, I penned 2013, I penned the following. Leadership is bringing people into new realms of excellence and challenging them to become distinguished in their chosen field. Leadership is bringing people into new realms of excellence and challenging them to become distinguished in their chosen field. So already I'm laying a foundation that leadership is not about me, myself, and I. Leadership is about him, her, and them. The education system, the political system, the music system, all the kind of systems in our world is very self-centered. It's me, myself, and I. It's gimme, 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 my name is Jimmy. It's very, very self-centered. So, question, again, what is leadership? So 2015, this is one of my favorite quotes. Feel free to tweet it, write it, whatever. Leadership isn't about age, but rather leadership is about